Hello, good afternoon. This is Orina Spice. Today I'm going to make you some sheep guts and with liver and light and all. So this guts here, the way to prepare it is I wash it, clean it, put in some hot water to boil it, and then throw the water out, and then I add some water to pressurize it. So I pressurize it for 10 minutes. It's ready here right now. As you can see, the liver, I wash it, or you have to cook the liver separate. I mean, not to cook the liver and boil it at the same time. So we're gonna cook the liver and add this on into it. And here I make some nice masala. I have some garlic, onion, peppers, some spices like clove and different spices here. I have some garam masala, some curry powder. So I have a nice blend of nice thing here. So now I'm gonna put it on and let you guys see how deliciously we're gonna cook this curry. Okay, so I put some oil on, it's hot. Now I'm gonna put the curry and the spices in here. Okay, this is the masala mix that I have here. So we're gonna boil this masala mix. This you get in there. You don't have a tripod, but I have to set it up. So we have to cook the liver first because it's raw. Then we're gonna add the pre-cooked guts which we boiled already and prepared. Okay, so now we're gonna add the guts in because the liver already cooked halfway. So we're gonna put the guts in here. We're gonna add some salt to this. Okay, here I'm cooking the guts here. It looks very nice. As you can see, this is gonna soon finish. Just want you all to see how nice it's gonna turn out. The liver down, cook it. The liver down, you know. So here our guts finished. Along you have some liver and you have some light and you have you know, all the basic to make this curry nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey guys, this is my presentation of my sheep guts, liver, light, whatever. And here is the roti. So this is what we're gonna have there for dinner right now. Just want you to see how nicely it turned out. Thank you guys for watching. This is Orina Spice. Bye.